This spectacular, just right next to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Oh, is this the one that you say we're going to be careful crossing?
See the fence on the hillside up there?
Yeah.
The wooden fence.
Do you know what?
And then see the crack in the top of the land up there? The water comes through there and then falls into where the fence is, and it's like a big waterfall then that goes into the mine, and then the rest of it then is basically pouring back out.
Which one is that one then?
So just
This lower one, what is it called? Sorry.
this one's called Alderson's, and then the top one is Herbert's.
Herbert's.
Herbert's Abbey.
Wow, this looks very, very inviting. The lads are there. Now I've got to cross over here, and I'm shitting myself. I'm gonna be going down that river all the way down the mountain. Look at that. Okay. What the fuck? Wait. I made it. Thank you. You were hoping for an epic fail, were you? That's an interesting gated entrance. Wow. Isn't, oh, that's the drainage, is it? Yeah.
Just a smaller hole.
Danger of death. That means get in there.
That's the Welsh explorers there.
What is this? It's like a bathtub. It does look like a bathtub, doesn't it? Will you pass me the bags?
My foot stuck.
You know when you have a really filthy shower, like everything comes off black, and what's left on the bottom of the bath, that's what it's like. Oh, it's very interesting. You can see this water line, that gives the watermark straight away that was here, possibly not long ago. Because the froth is still there.
No, this wasn't like this last time we came. This is probably filled up very recently.
Yeah, and judging by the amount of mud, there's a lot of drainage as well.
It's been about 6 months since we've been in this one.
6 months, yeah? How was the water level 6 months ago?
I don't remember it. I remember it being like this the whole way. Obviously, it all blends into another, but I can check that on the video.
Yeah. That's why videos are so important as well. You can check evolution, deterioration of mines. Now that level is it's pretty amazing. This is definitely drainage, is it?
This is
Both added and drainage, maybe? Because it's always the case. A lot of the levels in Derbyshire that are horizontal, they were both drainage and haulage levels. So I guess it's the same here.
What we normally do is go in a straight line, then hit all the inside tubes on the way out.
Yeah, go straight first. Yeah, it sounds like a good method to me. That's the method I follow as well. That is rather silty. However, it's cool.
Oh, this is what I like.
Yeah, this is what we're talking about, isn't it? This formations. We got sulfur, iron, and manganese, judging by the colours. You know, you got the blacks, the yellows, reds. Every mineral gives a different colouring. It's fascinating.
It's mental, isn't it? It's like, how does that even form like that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a beautiful one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Wow, the whole floor.
They almost look jelly-like, don't they?
Oh, mate, there's pearls here.
You found pearls again?
Mate, I found
You
pearls.
always find pearls.
Cave pearls. Mate, massive ones. Holy shit, look at the colour of that.
You've got a skill now, you find cave pearls.
Those are absolutely black.
Mate, look at them. They're stunning.
So the manganese cave pearls. And have you seen the rainbowing on them?
Yeah.
The kind of
Look at
rainbow patterns.
Look at the white one.
Called them rainbow cave
All
pearls.
across there. Look at those ones there.
Wow.
There.
Have you ever seen cave pearls before? Cave, what, sorry? Cave pearls. No. Oh, get in there, get in there.
Right, yeah. So see these,
Wow.
these.
Oh, wow.
These are all
Instead
like,
of all drip down, hit onto bits of like sand grains or little rocks rolled around. And
wow, they're all across here. All,
That's it. I love the rainbow colours on that one. It's absolutely divine.
all the way down here. That's a purple one there.
Wow. Get up your way so you guys can have a look.
Yeah, sorry, I'll get out of the way like too. They're all down here everywhere.
And this is what you find just in a trial level like this. It's just incredible. You know, you cannot dismiss any mine, no matter how long it is. You'll always find something special.
We didn't find it for ages, and the last 4 times we've gone out now, mine those every time. I think it's just you spot things a bit.
Those are pretty special. Never seen them like this with like a rainbow coating.
Been training these eyes, mate.
And look at this one.
Yeah.
Just the way the water drips. This is kind of how elliptites. You know what elliptites are? They are cave formations that are all over the place. They don't follow vertical. They can go across, and it'll depend. It will depend because the water creates pressure, and it will depend where the pores are in the formation. That's where it starts dripping. And the pore can be on a horizontal bit, and that's what's kind of happened here. It's kind of
Wow, it's the colour.
incredible.
Unreal.
Yeah.
This is one of my favourite ones.
Wow, that's crazy. Any guess what this is?
Maybe it run a communications line or electricity line through it. Oh, a wire. A wire going through it, yeah. Like a signal thing, is it?
Yeah, it could be an ancient Wi-Fi device.
Well, no, these were 1950s, some of these finished. And back then they used to, say with the coal mines, you touch the 2 wires together and it make a beep at the end.
Yeah.
So it was something electrical, you
I
think?
don't know, I'm not sure, but...
Well, because these mines, they were work up to the 1900s, so they would have had electricity then, so. But it's got a wooden peg and a metal pin. If anybody that's watching this video has an accurate guess or idea what this is, please leave it in comments.
Oh, that's a weird one.
Hey, Darren. Your head's back until there.
Yeah, there is another one. You are right, because actually, look, there is another one similar.
Yeah. Right, so I think it run a wire.
It's definitely to run a wire, like you say, because
What they used to do is they used to separate the wires by an inch or two, and if you touched them together, it made a beep, and they knew to send the cart in or send the cart out. Or... So I'm not sure.
yeah, for signaling. Yes, for signaling, you're right. Yeah. So every time they signal, they probably had a bit of a shock.
Oh, I can imagine it. They used to have little tally marks on the side, they pulled in and out, wasn't it? Wow.
And we're going back to the side passage here, which could be interesting. Let's take a look. This is very calcified everywhere. Wow. The size of the shot holes here are a bit bigger than what you've seen in the other trial levels. So Lively is much older than the levels below this mine. Much newer, I mean. Right. Yeah, they're a couple of inches. The other shot holes that we've seen, they're about just 1.5 inches. Wow. Right. There is still in the distance. This was obviously haulage level, because you can see evidence of slippers.
It's a lot wider this one as well.
That's probably Stemple or slipper. I think it's definitely a haulage level, and haulage and drainage, obviously both.
I love the size of this, especially being a tall bugger.
Yeah. It's comfortable for you. Oh wow, now we're talking. Now we're beginning to see some incredible stopes up here. Wow.
It's nice seeing it with that torch. Lit up so much.
Yeah, you can see some of the timbered platforms higher up where the miners were working, higher up the stope, and it goes from the very top a good, what, 20 meters, about 60 foot maybe. Some sections that collapsed there have fallen, the timbers. That's pretty incredible. Really amazing. Wow. Look at that.
Oh, it just doesn't bear thinking about what it'd be like to work down a place like this.
I know. Just imagine, you know, the dangers all the time. But then again, I guess they had a lot of common sense in a way.
I'm not sure whether I want to respect them or give them a slapper on the head for being so silly.
Yeah.
Don't be doing this.
I know what you mean. Incredible. What's that, Anthony?
I'm waiting for Jared to shout out he's found something amazing at the moment.
Yeah.
Every time we go out at night at the moment, we find something great that we missed last time. Hawkeye over there.
It's the one that brings luck to the group.
No, this place is just, it just keeps giving. You can come here every week for probably about 6 months and still never seen it all.
Yeah, and I think you won't, because there's that many mines all over the hill, down these valleys there.
We've done level power now so many times. We came back, well, they came back with you yesterday, and Jerry was telling me about the new levels he found again, and it was like, wow, it just keeps giving. I love the colours.
Yeah, look at these colours dripping everywhere. Lovely. Wow.
I'm going to let you guys walk up there first. It's impressive.
Yeah.
You can probably hear it.
I can hear something rumbling in the distance, like a big thunderous waterfall. Let's go and take a look.
I don't even need to get my other torches at the back with you with that thing.
Yeah. Oh wow, we're getting to it now. Oh my god.
Wow. And eventually we'll be on the top of this.
It's going to be really loud by the time we get there.
Yeah.
The noise is already overpowering, and we're only like 100 meters away.
Eventually we'll show you what the top of this is, where this waterfall comes from.
Yeah. Look at the timber, they're actual trees.
Mental, isn't it?
Full big trees that they've in place there. Crazy. Let's take a look.
The noise is something else today. The
Wow.
water. Wow, look at it, it's almost lost, isn't it?
Oh my god. Look at the size of these timbers.
Wow.
That's crazy. We're going to try to get as close as possible. But with the amount of raw water that's coming down, we're not going to get into this. Ready? We made it through the waterfall. That was crazy. Some of the crazy stuff I've done on the ground recently.
It's got to be done.
And these guys do it every week.
It's got to be done.
Wow, look at that.
I love seeing
You got a perfect mini infinity pool
Yeah.
with micro gower pools that keep spilling over the calcite and creating these delicate ridges.
We were in the copper mine the other day, and it's all blue. Where you can see the ripples as the water comes down there. There's all stuff.
Wow. It's getting very colourful around here.
Really nice.
Yeah. The colours are beginning to show very nice.
You know, when you said that, right, I was having a describe it.
Wow.
Just keeps it getting better.
Wow, look at this absolute incredible palette of all different colours.
It's like a painting.
It is, like, I was going to say it's like an artist sort of dribble painting, you know.
I got a friend on YouTube who does painting now. He pours the paint on the pad and just swirls it around, and it's just like seeing me.
That's what it's like, yeah. My goodness, this is, that was well worth getting through the waterfall. Anyway, just for the fun of it with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, but it's right in my bottom of my thing. I've got it now.
Look at them colours there, it's absolutely incredible.
What are we doing?
I'll just get some on my back.
We could be looking at this all day, really.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Is this the end now, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got to the end. It seems to be.
You'll see where the waterfall comes from. I thought it was dripping on your back. Unfortunately, it's not tea dripping place in here.
Someone's having a pee on your back, Gerard.
There was a good city.
I'm used to it.
There was a T2, £1.50. There was a good city now. With 3 dudes in it. Brilliant.
Oh wow, you know what this is, guys? Right? This is knotite. This is not stalactite. I might be wrong. It's knotite. Can you see when you blow on it?
Yeah, it's awesome.
How it wobbles is there are bacteria basically that live on the ground. A colony of bacteria that live on the ground. I'm pretty sure this is knotite, you know. On the ground bacteria.
Mine snows.
Yeah, mine's not. It's knotite.
Oh, that was good.
It's just divine.
I will do it.
Really is.
There was a cut to the other side of the waterfall.
Right, so we've done this trial level again, which is absolutely incredible. Well, this is more than a trial level, this is a mine.
It's awesome.
Yeah, because the size of the stoves, you could tell how mature they got out of there. And we're going to have a rest further up the mountain.
There's quite a deep hole there.
Is it deep?
It's just a little bit deep there and a little bit slippery, so just...
How do you approach it?
I basically put my right foot in and then kind of put my left foot across then.
Right foot in, yeah.
And then I went for the big step across. Yeah.
Okay,
Nicely done, nicely done.
thank you. Onto another mine. Onto another level. Ah,
Right, let me scoot back.
let's do this.